the Mercedes CL55 wide body. This might be the last time in a while that you see these wheels on there. We'll see. But I ordered some brushed bronze wheels. 20 by 10 in the front, 21 by 12 in the back. These wheels are produced by Verde. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. They are a 5-star pattern, split 5-star wheel pattern, and very concave. You know how I like my style. I always like the concave wheels. As you can see down there, if you look at my S550 and my SL, I love the 5-star pattern on these cars. I consider going with a deep dish, like maybe a real nice lip, like a deep wheel with a nice lip, but they don't look as good when they spin. They definitely look good at every angle. I like that deep look, but I love the 5-star. Love the 5-star. So anyways, I considered before going 22s, but that makes my car look like a donk, and I don't want to destroy this car. But I think a 21 might be safe. Why do I say that? Because, well, there are Porsche, I think Corvette 21 inches an option. Lambos, of course. Whoops. Lambos, Ferraris. A lot of the exotic supercars have 21s in the back. And, well, this is a supercar. Why do I say it's a supercar? Well, factory back in 2003, for a Mercedes to have a just about 500 horsepower with a whole bunch of torque, as these CLs have, and you can look them up, a 2003 CL55, look at the specs, and compare that to any supercars from 2003, and tell me that this is not a supercar. By today's standards, it still is a great entry-level sports car slash supercar with any kind of upgrades and mods to the performance, such as what I've done, like going to Eurocharge, getting the stage 2 tune. You can change the pulley on the supercharger. You can modify and change the cooling system, which allows you to really increase some horsepower on here with a smaller pulley. It will require you to upgrade the cooling system to keep this motor cool. But the seemingly unlimited potential of this car really allows it to be still considered a supercar by today's standards. As of right now, what am I pushing? 600 horsepower approximately. And with the increased torque, almost 600 foot-pounds of torque, I would definitely say that this is a supercar. Cicada just hit my back. Might still be on my back. Anyways, so this might be the last time that you see this car with these wheels for just a little bit, you know, for a while. Now those brushed bronze wheels, why am I going back to the gold look? Well, I really did want to do gold on this car, but that color gold that you see there, the other Rohana wheels that I have that are gold, to me are just a little bit too gold, a little bit too loud, a little bit too flashy. And I like them, of course. They look good on the car, but they draw a different kind of attention. I don't want to be seen as flashy, okay? I don't want to be that loud. I like it, but then sometimes I don't like it. I still like the grown, sexy look, you know? So these wheels right here are phenomenal. I love them. It is a safe look. It is a very, very, very nice, clean, rich enhancement to the car. They're concave all the way around. These are 20 by 10 and a half. The rear is 20 by 12. But I think with this car, with the wide body kit, I think I could take a bigger wheel in the back. I think I could do a 21 in the back and a 20 in the front. And I think it will look fantastic. And I think with the bronze, I might have to change my accents a little bit. That might be a little bit too gold. And the one in the back might be a little bit too gold. Or it might just look right, you know? We'll see once I put these wheels on here. If I have to dull that down a little bit, maybe making it to like a darker gold to match the bronze, kind of like a more of a bronze look, I guess. Or if I have to go red, I consider that. Maybe doing the front lip and the rear bottom lip red. I think that's a good look as well. But I wanted something that will match well with the gold, the real gold accents that I have. Like that is like a genuine gold color. That's more of an orange color. You can see the difference there. All right. Those gold wheels that I have, again, are more orange gold. All right. So I think that the bronze will give me that flash without the over flashiness, you know what I mean? Without the bling bling. It'll give it that nice, subtle, aggressive, okay, I see the gold, I see the bronze, but it's not loud. It's a nice look. And I see that on a lot of cars anyways. The bronze is a good seller. Gold is a unique, you gotta have kind of like a unique taste for that gold. But the bronze is more popular. So I think that'll look real good. I'll keep, of course, you all posted regarding the progress. Once I get those wheels put on here, I'm really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it. And so just to reiterate, just to repeat myself and make sure that you all hear what I'm saying, this is a supercar. A CL55 modified AMG is a supercar. And once you enhance it and modify it, this thing is a beast. A beast. People spend a whole lot of money. You'll spend over $100,000 to match this car today. Like if you were to buy a 2021 anything that can even touch or come near the power and performance of this car right here, you're gonna spend over $100,000. That's right. Supercar. Mercedes CL55 AMG wide body. I'll update you guys once I put these wheels on. Talk to you later. Bye.